Well, since I was up here high on a ladder, I thought I would take a nice video of the view of our store from this angle. I always love this angle of the store. Kind of shows how much stuff we have. Look at all that paper. I just want to share with you what our store looks like from this view. We're getting in a lot of new stuff. I ordered a bunch of new stuff. I should be coming in soon. There's my favorite person. Well, besides Amber. There's all our planner stuff. Anyways, I just wanted to share from this view.